Ooh.
Hello everybody,
Hi.
welcome to another Splatty video.
Yeah.
And for this one,
Yeah.
me and Izzy, we're going under the sea.
Yeah.
What are we going to draw, Izzy?
Eddie? Just seahorse.
A seahorse, that's right. Okay, so let's get going. So we'll start right here, top of the page. Here we go. I'm gonna make a small little oval and just color it black.
Draw a little over.
That's correct. Let's see. Okay, and now I'm gonna draw a line around it.
Yeah, it did like from a TV.
This is gonna be his snout. So
Yeah.
I'm gonna draw a line going there,
Yeah.
and we are drawing now the rest of his head over there. I'm actually off center, mine is off to the side of the page.
Me too.
Okay, so now we bring the line down here and we stop.
Top and top.
We draw a little fin down here, just like that.
Draw it. Just like that.
Just continue that line, and we can add those two little lines there to show it's a little fin.
Yeah.
And now from below the fin, we continue and we bring a line around. We curl it till there. Just stop and go around again, and we curl it in. Let's see. Okay.
Yeah, I'm making by mistake.
Yeah, okay, it's fine, it's fine. So we're gonna continue with this line, bring it back around here, then we'll stop there again to leave the space here, and we're gonna take it back up that way.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna go here, and I stop, leave a little gap, and I continue, and I go all the way back up this way, up until there.
Alright.
Yeah? Now you take it all the way back. Okay, so what we forgot, we usually draw the eyes, but we draw the eye now. So a big eye,
A big eye,
a little reflection,
a little reflection.
and another circle for the pupil.
Yeah.
So we can color it in. The pupil is going to go dark, and the reflection stays white like the paper. You got that?
Yep.
So now we bring the snout back a bit. It's still there. You see a brutal snout back? Bring that line back, and we draw the rest of his head into the chin there.
I don't.
Did you know that their snout is like a little vacuum cleaner? They suck
Yeah.
up their food,
Yeah.
and they can.
It's just like pea shooter.
It looks like a pea shooter mouth, yeah. But they use it to suck up food from little spaces between the rocks and crevices. Okay, so now we draw a line from here.
Only from here.
Just watch me, and we're drawing a big belly, and we're coming down, and we're joining the rest of the body again.
Alright.
There we go. Did you know that seahorses are the only animals where the daddy has the baby in his tummy? The babies are in the daddy's tummy. The daddy gives birth to them.
Yeah.
Yeah. So okay, we can add little lines going across. The daddy has a pouch in his tummy where he keeps the babies.
Done.
Okay.
Yeah.
So now we are missing the frills on their heads. It's like a fin, but it's also not a fin.
But it looked like hair.
Yeah, it looks like hair. Just like the fish we did, we can make the fin look like a hairstyle. So I'm gonna go and make it a nice little oops. And now I've got this hair, this little crest, and watch me. I'm just doing waves, coming down on a point and doing waves like this. And I'm joining it just above the fin there. Now we can do a little one, carrying one after the fin and just join it to the back.
Oh wow, I made bike.
Yeah. So you've got spikes. Look here. So remember this gap we left over here?
Yeah.
So what seahorses like to do, they like to curl up their tail and hold on to little bits of seagrass or kelp. So I'm gonna draw a blade of grass there.
Me?
See? And I'll draw another blade of grass here just to show you what it is.
Oh, I did. You remember?
It's like a leaf.
One time I didn't make up. I actually made it.
Okay, so yeah, there's your leaf. So from each point, we are going to draw a line going into his body. And you can see it's his little.
Yeah, I actually.
So seahorses, they come in all kinds of textures. So I'm just gonna add little bumps to mine, little knobs, just to make him a little more interesting. But they can have frills, they can have little waves and bumps on their skin. There's actually 46 different types of seahorses.
Yeah?
That's a lot of seahorses. And you know they come in all different kinds of colors?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's our seahorse complete. Do you want to draw a little baby seahorse with his daddy?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna draw smaller, remember smaller? So we draw the same thing. Little line around the oval shape. We take it back that way, we make the snout. Remember the vacuum cleaner mouth?
Yeah.
You got it? We draw the head there.
Throw it in.
So now we go back down here and we stop.
Yeah.
We add a little fin like we did with the daddy. Now this way around and we stop and we curl it around.
Curl it down.
So now I need to come on the inside here, curl it around, stop.
Yeah.
You got it? And we go around there again and we bring it back to the chin. And now we add the rest of his mouth.
Yeah.
The bottom half of his head. That's fine, it's fine. And we add a big eye here with a reflection and the half bit that's colored in. And there you can see his face, he's a cutie. Yours is cute. Okay, so now we add that fat belly, but he's just a little baby, so he's not that fat.
Oh no, I didn't make it fat.
That's fine. He's a chunky seahorse. Okay, so now remember little hairstyle, and then we do waves. And then we add lines from each point going back in. That's a repeat of the big drawing. And I'm just gonna add 2 here because he's smaller. Can you see your baby? Oh, your one is so cute.
Yeah.
Okay, so remember the gap. Why we left the gap is for the blade of grass to go through. And there's a grass. Just connecting that line again there. And remember, they hold onto the grass because they are so small and lightweight. The current will just wash them away.
Yeah.
Okay, so there we have the big seahorse and the baby seahorse. Let me see yours. That's cute. Okay, so which color are you gonna go with?
Actually,
I'm gonna go with a purple seahorse.
I don't.
You can make it any color you want to. You can add, but we need to go through this very quickly. I'm gonna press down rather firmly on this crayon because the crayon comes out so light sometimes that the camera can't pick it up. But now I'm pressing hard on this crayon so that the viewers can see the color. Make sense?
Yeah.
purple as well. Purple, purple, purple. Oh, you got a yellow one. Nice.
Yep.
And you do actually get yellow seahorses in reality.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's so many different colors of him.
Yeah.
Maybe a blue fin for me.
Maybe
Tasty.
I need a dark yellow.
Is it darker yellow? Maybe an orange? Or just a darker yellow?
No, that orange.
Okay, that's fine.
But you might look like yellow.
Oh man, I went outside of the lines. Slightly.
Me too.
It's okay. Remember, we don't make mistakes. They are just happy little accidents.
Yeah.
Yep. Bob Ross. Okay, so I'm gonna make the baby similar to the daddy, so the baby will also have blue crest here.
Yeah, mine want the blue. Yeah, I have hiccup too.
So the baby's gonna be maybe pink.
Yeah, I need help. I need help. Oh, never mind.
Just grab it. It's fine.
Yeah.
Okay. Your daddy's yellow.
And my one, the blue, three and blue.
Careful, my boy.
Ma.
Okay.
And I'm gonna color the. Actually.
Okay, my baby's almost done. Okay, so what color do I do the tummies? I'm gonna go with a warmer color. I'm gonna go with this orange on the tummies.
Yeah, I
Check the
go
baby.
to green.
Orange tummy baby. And the daddy's gonna be a yellow tummy daddy.
Hey, that's my one.
Yeah, you can get your yellow back soon. You can have it soon. I'll go really quickly here. Oh, I'm going blunt on this one.
Yeah, my rub green. Yeah, you should take green.
As there's your yellow. And I'm gonna go with red spots. You know this texture the daddy has?
Yeah.
Those little spots over here. I'll make them red.
Yep. Oh yeah, I need one more. A bubble.
A bubble?
Yep.
Yeah, you can draw bubbles, you're correct. You can add some bubbles if you want to. So now I'm just drawing my blades of grass. Oh, you got your grass is colored in already. You were quick on that one.
Yeah. That like Sonic the Hedgehog.
Sonic the Hedgehog.
Ooh, why did we do that?
Sonic's a bit more advanced.
Yeah.
No, we can draw him in at some point, but he's got a lot more lines going and his proportions are very, very specific. But we'll do it anyway.
Yeah.
No? Yeah,
Yeah,
we'll do it anyway. So,
yeah, my bubble done. That means I'm at the leave.
how's your seahorse looking?
Dude, yeah, I'm at the leave. Bye.
You're gonna leave?
Yeah.
No, don't leave. Wait for me.
I think.
You can't just leave your daddy alone. See, the baby seahorse didn't leave his daddy alone.
Yeah.
He's hanging out with his dad.
Wait, you might or the other dad?
Yeah, I'll be the seahorse daddy and you can be the seahorse baby. So I'm gonna draw some bubbles as well. Some tiny bubbles by the baby. And bigger bubbles by the dad. And do we need color on the bubbles? Suppose we do. I'm just gonna kinda add a little shape to it. A little shading to the bottom end of the bubble. So my bubbles are still clear.
Yeah, you know, Sonic, in the game, Sonic might pick up the bubble to the inside the bubble, eat air.
Sonic's inside a bubble for air in the game.
Yeah, he's just
Okay.
swimming.
Oh, I see. Well, mine is done and yours? You are complete as well. Let me see yours. Your daddy looks cool in yellow. And your little green-haired baby. What's that? Another bubble.
But big one.
Oh, big bubbles. Okay, so this baby is blowing big bubbles.
Yeah.
Taking
Hot.
a big gasp of air. Big deep breaths. Deep breaths. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Let me see. That's nice. And there's your bubbles. Okay. Let me see. There we go. And that's our little seahorses and the seahorse babies. And hope you enjoyed that video, everybody. So you can rewind and just replay it again.
Yeah.
And follow along slowly. It seems complicated now at the end. When I look at it, it's quite nice.
Yeah.
And yours even. But the drawing is rather simple to do. So we'll see you next time with another one.
Yeah.
Please like, do subscribe, be good.
Have fun.
Bye.
Bye. Yeah, I'm coming out. Bye.